Tired of your stove looking greasy and your gas running out too soon? Stick around because today I'll show you an easy way to clean your stove and make your gas last longer. Here's what you'll need: baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, a sponge or cloth, and a toothbrush for those hard-to-reach areas. Step 1. Remove the stove grates and soak them in soapy water. Step 2. Sprinkle baking soda and vinegar on stubborn stains. Let it fizz. Step 3. Scrub with a sponge and a toothbrush for deep cleaning. Step 4. Wipe down with a damp cloth to remove residue. Step 5. Dry and reassemble the stove for a fresh look. Want to make your gas last longer? Keep your burners clean for even heat distribution. A clean burner can improve efficiency by up to 10%. And there you have it, a spotless stove and better gas efficiency. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy DIY tips.